Alright guys, let's solve this question together. It says 3 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power x is equal to 90. How do we solve this? Now watch carefully so I don't make mistakes. So you're seeing this side that there is a common term, okay? And when there's a common term, the best thing to do is to factorize. So we can factor out 3 raised to the power x. And then we have here 1, and then we also have 1, okay? And this is what 90. You see that this question is becoming easy, right? Okay, 1 plus 1 is what? It's 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power x and is equal to 90. Okay, now dividing both sides by 2 will be the best option to do here. So we can divide this side by 2 and divide this side by 2. 2 can take 2, so remain what? 3 raised to the power x for us. Okay, and this is equal to 90 divided by 2 is 45. At this point, we can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 3 to the power of x to be equal to logarithm of 45. Now, logarithm of 3 to the power of x is the same thing as x times log of 3. And this is equal to log of 45. Okay? Now, from here you can see that if you divide both sides by log of 3, divide this side by log of 3, we have that x becomes equal to log of 45 divided log of 3. And now this is equal to log of 45 is the same thing as log of 9 times log of 5. Okay, so we have here log of 9, which is log of 3 squared. Okay, plus log of 5 all over log of 3 over log of 3, because what this is. Now from here you can see that log of 3 squared is 2 log 3. Okay, so we have 2 times log of 3 over 3, which is basically 2. So this becomes equal to 2 plus log of 5 over log of 3, and this is your final answer.